Good morning friends, welcome back to Jet Plus Academy channel. Today I am going to discuss about decomposition reaction. This is in India, taken from 10th class board. Come on, what is decomposition reaction? Decomposition reaction is that type of reaction in which one substance, here you know in chemical equation this is LHS side and this is RHS side. LHS side is reactants, right? Reactants, and RHS side are our products. Then when single substance in left hand side, it means when single chemical substance, when single substance breaks down in 2 or 2 plus products, right? When one single substance means of reactant side or LHS side breaks down in 2 or 2 plus products, then this type of chemical reaction is known as decomposition reaction, right? Here this breaking agent can be any type. Suppose that one example I am giving you, when calcium carbonate is heated, here delta symbol of heating, when calcium carbonate is heated, then it breaks into calcium oxide, it means quicklime, and carbon dioxide, right? Then you are seeing here only one single substance, calcium carbonate, is broken into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. It means when one single substance by any breaking agent, it just changes into 2 or 2 plus products, then this is known as decomposition reaction. Now I am telling you breaking agents can be any type. Here in decomposition reaction I am showing you, suppose that one reactant is changes into 2 or 2 plus products. Here one single substance, right? Then decomposition are several types. Suppose that here is breaking agent can be heat. If this single substance is broken into 2 or 2 plus products and it is done by heat, this is known as thermal decomposition. This is known as thermal decomposition. This is thermal decomposition, means by heat. Now, one best example I have given you, calcium carbonate, when heated, it breaks down into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Second breaking agent may be electricity. Electricity, if it is breaking agent, then this type of decomposition in chemical reaction known as electrolytic. This is electrolytic decomposition. Best example, when electric is passed through water, it changes into hydrogen and oxygen. Then you are seeing by the means of electricity, this water is broken into hydrogen and oxygen separately, here 2 or 2 plus products. Then this type of decomposition is electrolytic. Third one may be sunlight. If it is sunlight, then this type of decomposition known as photodecomposition. This is known as photodecomposition. In photodecomposition, best example, suppose that silver chloride, when silver chloride or bromide in presence of sunlight, it changes into silver and chlorine. Then you are seeing one product is changes into one substance is changes into two or two plus products. This type of decomposition is known as photo decomposition. Now, fourth type of decomposition is somewhat biological decomposition. You can see this is biological decomposition. Biological. Why is it biological? Why this type of decomposition is known as biological decomposition? Because it is done through enzymes or catalysts. That's why this type of decomposition also known as catalytic decomposition. This is known as catalytic decomposition. One best example is digestion process. In digestion process, you know, suppose that here is carbohydrate, only one single substance by the function of salivary amylase, and in carbohydrate this is starch type carbohydrate. Starch type carbohydrate present in our food, that is from function of salivary amylase, is broken into maltose, isomaltose and dextrin. Then you are rightly and obviously looking here, carbohydrate starch type, only one substance by the function of salivary amylase, this is salivary enzyme, and changes into maltose, isomaltose and dextrin. These are 2 or 2 plus products in number, right? Then also, you know, when fats is broken by the function of lipase, it is changed into fatty acids and glycerol. Now, proteins by the function of whether pepsin or trypsin or renin or casein, by any type of this enzyme, this protein is changed into peptones and proteases, right? And further it is broken into amino acids, right? Then you are seeing in this biological decomposition, enzymes are breaking agents. Here one single organic substance, whether it is carbohydrate, fat or proteins, by the function of their respective enzymes, those are changed into carbohydrate, this changes, this is fatty acid glycerol change, and protein, this changes into peptones and proteases, and ultimately its product is amino acids and nucleic acid, whatever, right? Then these are different types of decomposition. By these study you can better understand. And also one very important point to be understood here, that is decomposition reaction is just opposite to addition or combination reaction. In addition reaction, you know, addition or you can say combination. In addition or combination reaction, 2 or 2 plus reactants chemically react with each other and form only one product, right? Only one product. But here, if RHS is taken LHS and LHS is taken RHS, then one single substance by breaking agents, that may be anything, whether it may be heat or sunlight or electricity or biological decomposition, then it changes into 2 or 2 plus products, right? Then this is about the decomposition reaction. This is first chapter of chemical reaction. in academic level 10th class board of India. And now for such exciting videos, please like and subscribe this channel and share it to maximum number so that they can benefit to you, right? Okay, thank you very much. We are meeting with new video very soon. Then till that time, have a good day, good times. Bye bye.